What's up, guys? This is my Sean guys, we're back with an update of my hair. So, as y'all know, in this video, I cut my hair right here. The video that I'm putting right here. I cut my hair, guys, and I tried to get waves. But your boy been busy. Your boy have not been brushing
At all. So, in this video, I will
be doing trying to get my waves back, or trying to get the progress that I had back. Like literally from that video till now, I haven't brushed my hair. I just had on the do-rag. So we're gonna see how my hair is looking right now, and we're gonna try to get them waves back. You know the vibes. So watch along if you're trying to get your waves back as well. Watch this video because I have some great tips for all you. So, you see me? Me really don't know how my ear look right now. Like literally, me don't know how my ear looks. Oh, it's looking dirty. I'm afraid if I show this on camera. Oh my God.
He needs some milk.
Guys, look. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Alright. We need some work. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is literally we have to comb this thing. Literally we have to comb this ear out. Because you know see it? Let me see. Are you seeing it? This is how it looking right now. We're going to try to get that progress back, guys. You see me? So the first thing we have to do, comb out here. You know? Comb in the pattern that you brush. If you're going to comb your hair, oh my God, my hair is dirty. If you're going to comb in the pattern that you brush your hair. Yo, no my, oh my God. Oh Lord. My hair is dirty. Nigga wanna get waves and nigga no like take it right here. Like what? But from now on, we're gonna try find time to fit these brush sessions in. We're gonna try find time to get these waves, you know? Let me go and wash it. It is looking musty, dusty and crusty, so let me go and wash it. Boom. Right over there. So we are bringing you to the shower today. I'm bringing y'all to the shower. Yes. Bring y'all to the shower. And I'm scramble washing. You know? I'm scramble washing because my hair is really dirty. Like it actually is dirty. Like it dirty. As well as Jamaican would say. So boom. We got the Cantu shampoo right here and thing. You see me? First wash. This is the first wash, guys. As y'all know from the last video, I'm going to do 2 or 3 wash. It depends on how dirty my hair is. I'm going to wash it to try to get a ladder to try to brush it, you know? So that's what I'm doing right now. This is the first wash. This is taking out all the dirt in my hair. Yes, guys. Yes, sir. First wash, we're going in with a second wash again. With the shampoo again. Get about that amount, you don't need a lot because you wash your hair already. You don't want to strip all of the oils out of your hair. So, I know you can see the ladder now. You see it? You can see the ladder. But we're gonna wash it one more time because, as we may say, my hair was really dirty. So we're gonna wash it one more time after this wash. Wash it thoroughly. So basically, guys, if you want to get your waves back, all you need to do is a wash and style. I'm putting all on game, you know. After this, I have to go work, so then I'll get to do a next brush session. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to do this wash and style, and then when tomorrow, I'm gonna just keep on the do-rag. Tomorrow we'll come back again and we're going with the we're gonna put in your oils, the soft brush, whatever you want to do, you know, and brush it. We're trying to get these waves back. May I give myself at least like 1 week to get my waves back, like literally. So for this whole week coming, we're gonna brush. We're gonna have a little series trying to get waves for this whole week. So stay tuned, turn on the post notification to see when I post, you know, and subscribe if you're not. Like the video if you like the video, you see me, and if you like the personality. Boom bam! Finish with that wash, we go wash it out. We don't need a lot of shampoo, as I said. About that amount, I don't know if you can see. Boom. Going with the shampoo. So the hair lather, easily lathered. Easily lathered. You see me? Alright, we're going to go back to our mirror. And we're going to go in with about, I'm going to say, 30-minute brush session. Or 10 to 15 to 30 minute brush session. Depends on how much progress you really want. I'm going in for like 30 minutes, right? So. La la la! In the middle of the night! In the middle of the night! Alright. Let me turn on the back to life. Back to my mirror. 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 Alright. You're gonna get your depending on how long your hair is, you use a medium or a hard brush. This is a medium brush. You're gonna get your medium brush. You're gonna wet the ends of the brush. That shampoo I have in my hand. You know. And we're gonna go in with the brush session. Start brushing, you know, with the shampoo in. With the shampoo in, start brushing. Chasing at the bags, now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know.
We're gonna go in right now. You see me? Go in it with me. Brush with me. You see me? So after 30 minutes or 15 minutes, however long we brush my ear, we're gonna get back to Uno. You see me? And we're gonna show you the next step. You see me? So, we soon come. Why? Soon forward. That and yo, cause any man you get it. Bombas! Guys, it's been about 15 minutes. We're back, you know, back like crack. My head is hurting from this medium brush, so I'm just updating y'all. I'm going to switch to my Torino Pro, my soft brush. We're going to switch to that and then we're going to go in again. This is how it's looking so far. Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. This is how it's looking so far. Yeah. So far, you know, coming in, we're getting there. So I'm going to switch brushes now. And we're going to go in again. Alright guys, so it's been about a next 10 minutes I've been brushing with the soft brush. So right now I'm going to add a little bit of water to my hands. I'm going to lay my hair in the pattern that I was brushing it. And we're gonna see how it looks. After we finish laying our hair in the pattern and thing, you know. Boom, boom, boom. Next step is you're gonna get your do-rag, wet the do-rag, put the do-rag on. And everybody knows how to tie a do-rag. I ain't got to show you it. This is how you tie a do-rag. You see me? Boom. You see me? Come back around on the next side, you see me? Boom. Lay it flat like that. Lay it flat like that. Oh baby, when you talk like that, to make sure no mad. Tight in the back. Boom. Pull it down. No. We're gonna go to the shower again. No, and we're gonna wash out the shampoo with the do-rag. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. She said bum, 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 bum. Boom. Alright. Water. Boom. So, to speed up the process of this, because I want to go in with our next brush session with the soft brush. I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and blow dry my hair, and then after my hair is dry, we're gonna get back to y'all. Hey, excuse me, sorry for Belgian on camera. Sorry, excuse, sorry. But yeah, we're gonna go in with the blow dryer and then blow dry my hair. When it's dry, we're gonna go in with another brush session. We're gonna put oil, go in with another brush session, rag up again, and depending on the time, we're gonna go in with our next brush session. We're getting them waves back, you know the vibes. It's consistency, or whatever you want to call it. That's how you get waves. Consistently brushing your hair. So let's go. Blow dryer. We have it on one right now. Turn it on. Boom, let's go. When we do the hardy works, yo, any man ever but every man no pro, and anytime we touch street, a girl must cheat. She a cheat with him before she after I finish blow drying my hair, I'm coming back again with the next step. It's steps to this, you know? So, let's go. Just finished blow drying the hair and thing. Let me get to my level there one little bit, you see me? Yes, just finished blow drying the hair. Now, let's see the results. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. My hair isn't fully blow dried though, like it's still kind of wet. But let's see what's going on. Yeah, tell me. How it's looking? How it's looking? How it's looking? How it's looking? Tell me. What I've seen so far, guys. What I've seen is really basically the sides, like this side right here, the crown somewhere, the back right here. Back need a lot of work. And this side, yeah, just this side. The sides need work, but the top it's getting there. As y'all can see, the top is getting there, you know. So we're gonna work on the sides and the back. So as what I said, guys, stay tuned, because in the next episode I will be working on my sides and the back. We're working on it. We're trying to get a full 360, you know. So right now I'm going to go in with the olive oil, because I just put a lot of shampoo in my hair, so we here need oil. So going with the olive oil. We're gonna apply the oil and we're gonna brush it in. We're gonna do like about probably like 10 minutes again, and then we're gonna rag up, and then I'm going to show you the final product. You see me? Hey, if you make it this far in the video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Don't watch my video and not subscribe. Okay, apply your oil. So it's been about, I'll say, 30 minutes. Was editing a little bit of this video. About in the next 30 minutes, I have to go to work. So I'm going to show you the results. Are you all ready for the results? Are you all ready? Are you ready? Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. Yes, sir. This is how it's looking. This is the results, guys. What y'all think? This is the first day of getting my waves back. Stay tuned for the next episode. You know the vibes are the next video. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we're gonna do. What we gonna do tomorrow? We're gonna work on the sides and the backs tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. As I say, turn on post notification. Let's get it. Let's go. We're out and